Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps which are right here, app management. Let's tap. Now let's enter special app access, and here at the top we've got install unknown apps, so let's enter. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and be careful. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, but remember, choose the apps wisely. You can also remove previously granted permissions. Simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.